everyone, welcome back to our channel Ajay Sharma Law. So today we are going to discuss a very important case law in the company's law. Daimler Company Limited versus Continental Tyre and Rubber Company Limited, 1916. This case is a very famous case because it explains the concept of the real character of the company and when the courts can lift up the corporate veil. So in this video I'm gonna discuss about this case in the very detail. So if you are new on this channel, so hit the subscribe button and don't forget to like, share and subscribe this video. Let's get started. Daimler Company Limited. So basically the facts of this case are, in this case the Continental Tyre and the Rubber Company was incorporated in England. Okay. But most of its shareholders and directors were Germans. During the First World War, England and Germany were enemies country. So in this case, so now the Continental Tyre sued Daimler Company in England for recovery of money. So Daimler argued that Tyre's company was registered in England, but in reality the company was controlled by the German nationalists because the most of the shareholders are belong the country to the Germany. So that's why Daimler refused the payment and argued that the payment making to such a company would be amount to trading with the enemy. That's the fact of this. So the legal issues was, the main issue was before the court was, is Continental Tyre Company an English company because just incorporated in England, or should the court look at the nationality of the people who actually control it? The judgment, the House of Lords held that a company is a separate legal entity, just because in the case of Salman versus Salman, I hope you already know about that. So the company is a separate legal entity, but the court can look beyond incorporation to find out the real character of the company, since the control and management of the Continental Tyre was in the hand of German nationalists. So it was treated as an enemy company according to the House of Lords, the higher court of the England. Therefore, the Daimler Company was not bound to pay because that would amount to assisting the enemy in the wartime. House of Lords giving the judgment in the favor of Daimler to refuse the payment. The principle of law, this case established that the nationality of a company depends upon the nationality of the people who control it, not just where it is registered. It also confirmed that court have the power to lift up the corporate veil in the exceptional situations, especially in the matter of national interest. So the Daimler versus Continental Tyre case teaches us that the incorporation alone is not enough. The court may investigate the real controllers of the company to determine its the true nature or the real nature of that company. This principle is a very important in the company law. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the Ajay Sharma Law for more law related content. See you in the next video. Bye bye guys.